Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi calling is not working in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're using S23 Ultra and you're facing the issue that in your phone your Wi-Fi calling isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to disable and re-enable your Wi-Fi calling. Now for this, you just have to scroll on your control center, and here click on it to disable and click on again to enable your Wi-Fi calling. You can also give a long press on your Wi-Fi calling here to open it in your settings, and you can manually disable it for your SIM 1 or SIM 2, or and then you can try to re-enable this. Once you've done, it might help you to fix your issue. You can also set in call preferences. You can select Wi-Fi preferred, so it might help you to fix your issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to check your Wi-Fi connection, or you can also try to connect with a different Wi-Fi connection, or you can go to your browser here and just go to search and search for speed test. You can try to test your speed. Here, select any random website. Click go from here. Just select continue on web. Then click on go. It will check your Wi-Fi speed. So you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi speed is normal or is almost high here. But if you're still facing the same issue, Wi-Fi is working, but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. So just scroll on your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart button again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you have a single way. Just go to settings here, and settings, just scroll down, go to general management, go to reset. Click on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Select the SIM with which you are facing the issue, or you can also try to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings there. And once you have done, your issue has been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.